Well, now to another effort to protect Ohio children from human trafficking. A state representative just introduced a bill that would bring public schools all across the state into the effort to identify victims and kids at risk. 10 TV political reporter Doug Petcash joins us now to explain how the bill would do that and why the sponsor says this is needed. Doug.
Well, Jeff and Yolanda, State Representative Josh Williams says it's needed because Ohio consistently ranks in the top 5 states for human trafficking. House Bill 431 would require school districts to screen each student every year for human trafficking. Under the bill, schools would use the Focus Youth Screening tool developed by the University of Toledo in partnership with the State Attorney General's office. Williams says the tool will help identify students who are being human trafficked or are at risk of it. Those students would then get the help they need, and the state would build a database of the hotspots for the crime.
Punishment on the back end is not good enough. We need prevention as well. And this is one of the preventative tools that we've designed here in the state of Ohio, and we want to continue to use it and allocate funds to make sure that this can cut down on the chances of our juveniles being human trafficked in the state of Ohio.
The Focus Youth Screening tool was developed over 3 years by the Human Trafficking and Social Justice Institute at the University of Toledo. Executive Director Celia Williamson says it's a series of non-traumatizing questions written at a 5th grade level that takes less than 15 minutes to complete. The screening results tell you if the child is at risk or already being trafficked. Names and personal information of the individual kids would not be disclosed or made public in any way.
With this tool, we will be able to tell the state who is at risk in terms of geographic regions, in terms of various populations. And so the state will be able to distribute funds strategically and in targeted ways, which is a much better way to address the issue.
If the bill passes, the University of Toledo would train school district personnel on how to use the tool next school year. Then screenings would start in the 2027-28 school year. Representative Williams thinks this bill may be wrapped into the Human Trafficking Prevention Act, which passed in the Ohio House unanimously in June and is now in the Senate. Yolanda.
All right. Thank you, Doug.